Hey, good evening. Actually, good afternoon, good morning. Hey, good something or other, whatever it is for you. Facebook. This is a stock that we added as an active trade back here on the first rebound. It was actually a really good entry. You take a stock like this on the pullback that shows some support, and then you keep a really tight stop so that the only way you're stopped out is if support doesn't hold. And because your entry is so close to the support level, you're not risking much money. If you're stopped, you're stopped. If you're not, you're not. What's not to like? So since that entry, the stock's gone up 4 consecutive days, then a little bitty down day, and then now for a 5th day. So 5 out of 6 days, this has been going up, which is what we want. It's still in this box, though. Now, what's going on is they're really starting to get into digital wallets, stable coin, and then the non-fungible tokens, which personally for me, I think are maybe I'm just an old fart, hey, your hair's too long, get a haircut. But these non-fungible tokens, like what the heck? So I get a piece of history on a microchip that's, somebody doing something. I don't know if I can make a lot of money in that. How about if I do a non-fungible token on something that's not fungible? Doesn't make sense to me. But anyway, they're getting into all that, and it does make sense to somebody because the stock went up over $8 today. I'm glad that we're still in this. We will continue to be in this. Our stop is right at 348, and so we're going to get stopped out if the stock falls about 6%. I don't think it's going to do that. I like the way this stock is trading, and so I'm just going to stay long. Now, just real quick, we are having it's not really a membership drive. It's kind of a last chance for romance thing where the current subscription rate for Stock Market Mentor is $147. I just raised it about 3 weeks ago, I think it was, and I just decided because I didn't have any fanfare about it, I just kind of did it. Then I was talking to Karen, our customer service guru, about how people do kind of tend to come back. They'll cancel for a while, and then they come back and they kind of want their old rate back. And so I thought, well, let's give it kind of one last ditch effort to get anybody, whether they're a canceled member on the free chart, give them a chance to get in at the $97 price, because what we did was we raised it 50%. So until next Friday, what is it? Friday, I don't even know. Long day. Until the 3rd, until Friday, September 3rd at midnight, if you join, you're getting a free trial, and then you're also getting in at $97. You can cancel anytime, but this is a good deal. And so if you're interested at all, or if you've been a member before and you're thinking about maybe doing it again, this is your time, okay? And I know we're sending out some separate emails about this. You probably already got 1 or 2. This is just another one. This is a good deal. We got me and we got Scott in there, and people are making money, I swear. I'll see you later.